Assalamu alaikum, my dear brothers and sisters. Ramadan Mubarak. Today I would like to talk about something Ramadan. Ramadan is the ninth month of the Islamic lunar calendar. Is considered the holiest month for Muslim worldwide. It is observed as a month of fasting, prayer, reflection, and community. During Ramadan, Muslims fast from dawn to sunset and they avoid every kind of food, drink, or any other social and any other physical needs. The fast is broken each day with a meal is called iftar, and while pre-dawn meal is called sahur. And finally I want to say Ramadan is the best gift from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We must use it properly. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala want to forgive every people, every Muslim in this month. So I really request every my brother and sister, please use it properly. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.